Hello once again, everyone. I'm Mr. Coleman, and today we're going to go ahead and do our study review on maps.
It is estimated that the Earth is over 4.5 billion years old, and that modern humans have been walking the face of it for around 200,000 years. The geography of our planet has shaped the population patterns, available resources, industries, cultures, and nearly every facet of human activity during those 200,000 years. Geography is a study of the physical features of the Earth and how they affect the humans who call the planet home. Physical features include landforms like valleys, mesas, mountains, deserts, volcanoes, and canyons, along with waterforms like lakes, rivers, and oceans. To pinpoint locations on Earth, geographers use either relative location or absolute location. Relative location is where a place is located in relation to another place. For example, the treasure is located around the rock, through the palm tree forest, and near the open clearing. Absolute location is the precise point where a place is located on Earth. To find absolute locations on Earth, a geographer uses imaginary lines called latitude and longitude. Lines of latitude circle the Earth from east to west, while the lines of longitude circle the Earth from north to south. Geographers measure latitude and longitude in degrees. Each degree of latitude is about 69 miles, or 111 kilometers. Degrees of longitude work a bit differently. The lines converge at the poles and are widest at the equator, with a distance of approximately 69 miles, or 111 kilometers at that point. Lines of latitude and longitude intersect at right angles at the equator. The equator is the line of latitude that divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. At 0 degrees latitude, all locations north of the equator are written as N number of degrees. All locations south of the equator are written as S number of degrees. Lines of longitude begin at the prime meridian, which divides the Earth into eastern and western hemispheres. At 0 degrees longitude, all locations east of the prime meridian are written as E number of degrees. All locations west of the prime meridian are written as W number of degrees. People are using the lines to crisscross the world every day. Ships and airplanes need to use the coordinates to navigate the oceans and skies, while travelers use the lines of longitude and latitude to find specific landmarks. You can use the lines of longitude and latitude in your own community to go geocaching to find treasures hidden where you'd least expect it. Studying geography allows us to understand the reasons people live in various regions, how physical features affect the economy of communities, and on a larger scale, global political issues like border disputes, climate change, access to food and clean water, and the spread of diseases, just to name a few. Jumping into the world of geography is as easy as opening a GPS app on your smartphone and putting one foot in front of the other. So what are you waiting for? The world awaits.
Objectives. Today I will review for my upcoming quiz so I can be prepared to pass my exam. I will know I have it when I feel great and confident about taking my exam. Now that we've watched that video refresher, what do we know about maps? Well, we know about directions, we know about finding points, we know about latitude and longitude. Wait, Mr. Coleman, what if I don't remember the difference? Well, what's the difference between latitude and longitude? Longitude, the distance east or west of a prime meridian measured by degrees. Latitude, distance north or south of the equator. Now that we understand the difference, here are a few questions that we may see on our exam, or questions similar. What continent is located at 0 degrees latitude and 20 degrees east longitude? Okay. The answer is C, Africa. According to the map, what Russian city is located near 60 degrees north latitude, 60 degrees east longitude? The answer is B. Based on the map to the left, the climate of southeastern areas of the United States are similar to the southwestern part of Europe. Southeastern of the United States, southwestern part of Europe. The answer is false. Which cultural trait is in the northeast of the United States? North, east. Humid continental. Geographers will use a grid system on maps to define the elevation of mountains, predict weather patterns in the region, reveal patterns of migration, or determine the position of a location. Determine the position of a location. Upon examining current satellite images of various ancient monuments in the region, a student of geography could answer which of the following questions? Define the elevation of mountains, predict weather patterns in the region, reveal patterns of migration, determine the position of a location. D, determine position of a location. Here are some good practices to memorize when you're taking your exams. Go back and forth and check your answers if time allows. Cross out or eliminate answers that you know are wrong. The process of elimination can help you choose the correct answer in a multiple choice question. Start by crossing off answers that couldn't be right. Then spend your time focusing on the possible correct choices before selecting your answer. And lastly, do not rush. Good luck on your test, guys. Have a good day.